chocolate milk river. We're about to try and pull some smallmouth out of here, but who knows what's... Well, these guys, Sammy the smallmouth on.
What'd you give him?
I gave him that Spilly Dilly.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
All right, guys.
We can intro it however we want to, okay?
All right, yeah, let me just...
What's going on, guys? Fishing with Sean here. We are fishing at this
chocolate milk river. We're about to try and pull some smallmouth out of here, but who knows what's gonna happen.
We're fishing at a small creek back in the woods, and I'm gonna be throwing a Ned rig. We might try some top water. I got my little Walmart rod here, $60.
I'm throwing the Spilly Dilly.
What the hell is even that?
We're about to get some hooked up.
He's got the Spilly Dilly on there.
Spilly Dilly
on
in
his
it, bro.
Shimano setup.
Yep, something like that.
Matt's got
Nothing lose, brother.
He's got the lose with the whopper plopper. So we're gonna head down
away.
here. We're gonna throw these baits, and we'll see if we can't get some smallmouth out of here. This guy right here claims there's some 4 or 5 pound smallies in here,
Monsters.
but we'll actually see if that's true. I doubt it's actually true, but we'll see.
He's
we'll
a hater.
See.
He's
We'll
never
see.
caught a 4 pound
All right, we'll see you guys down there. Mosquitoes on it too. Dang.
Did you see that blow up?
Dude, yeah, I also saw you rip his upper lip off.
Dude, let me in there.
Let him in there, bro.
Dude, I feel like you'd be able to see these fish just swimming around.
That's what I'm saying. We need them
Dude,
polar.
smallmouth or camo? It's so good.
Yeah, all right.
You ready, bro? Oh, yeah, but get the freak over here.
Oh,
Little rock
it's a
bash there,
rock,
buddy.
yeah.
Oh.
give him.
I gave him that Spilly Dilly, buddy. I gave him that Spilly Dilly. There you go. You're still recording?
Yeah.
Ow, Jimmy hurt me?
Just throw him back, dude.
All right, Jimmy, adios, buddy. Buddy's got Sammy the smallmouth on.
What's up, boys?
Hooked up.
Not bad for the first one of the day, boys.
Not bad at all. Oh!
You go?
Oh! Oh, hungry guy there, buddy.
That's exactly what we want. Why don't you throw the crawl net on?
Ooh, that would probably hit, bro.
Good one.
Damn, that's a good one too, dude. I kind of want to keep walking a little bit before we leave. Okay, but
Or
wait.
like within the next 15 minutes,
Oh
probably.
yeah, that's a good fish.
There you go.
Good color.
Little river boy. You got one?
Oh
Yeah. Dude, he's dark.
Actually, I got it. Never mind. Nice little smallmouth. It's tweaking.
Is that a fish? Oh. Oh yeah.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Jeez, man, top water's the.
I know.
I want to see this.
Oh, yeah.
That's real nice.
Here you guys go. Nice little healthy 1.5.
Quarter pound.
Oh.
That'd be
Oh,
Tammy.
oh. Come on, bro. Here he goes. Sprayed me with mud. Alright guys, we made a little bait change here. We're gonna be throwing a little crappie jig. See if maybe can't pick something up on that. Little dinker. Back he goes. What you got over there, Matt? You got smallie?
How many did you catch? How many did you catch?
How is that even possible? That was the smallest fish I've ever seen. Dinker on dinker, dude. Yeah. There you guys go. There's a little baby smallmouth.
With or without a jig head?
There you guys go. There's another little smallmouth. Little guys. Some like black dots on them. Back he goes. You got one?
Yeah.
Is it a better one? Oh yeah, that's a better fish. For sure.
Damn, that's a good fish. Nice little almost pounder maybe.
Yeah, that's it. Close. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you made it this far in the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. We didn't catch the biggest of fish today, but we definitely caught a few smallmouth. Let us know if you like the smallmouth fishing. If you do, we'll try and go back and get some bigger ones for you guys. But Matt's way over there doing whatever Matt does, so that's why he's not over here with us. We got Paul. Paul didn't have the best luck today, but
Nah, chocolate milk didn't produce, but we always got next time, boys.
yeah. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. See you next time.